Here is the TheFork restaurant bookings app. So just tap get, and then you will be able to just double click install, and then you will be able to use this app. It has pretty good ratings, and it just helps you to book some really cool restaurants if you're traveling across Europe. So to create an account, you just need to go through some verification, just get started, find the restaurant, enjoy the best offers. You can get up to minus 50% instant reservation, accept and continue. And then you can also sign in with your Apple account like that. So and then you can just continue from there, and then you can just see the restaurants. You can give access to your locations. So it's not like available ever. Basically, you can find the restaurant from the list of restaurants. There are a lot of nice recommendations. There are a lot of Michelin restaurants, and then you can just go there and make a booking right from the app. So that's basically the process. Again, it's not available everywhere in all countries, in all cities. Probably it just starts from big cities in Europe, but try it out.